Okay, we just went and bought a bunch of parts from an online auction locally, just about 10 miles from where I live. It's a 28-29 Model A Roadster that's been taken apart or whatever. This back end here is actually really nice shape, and for the most part it's all complete back here. So we do have another Model A coupe that somebody kind of hacked into a coupe, so we're gonna maybe see about making this back into a Roadster. Like I said, this is gonna be a very long time project, like who knows whenever, but we're just gathering parts. This is a 32 Ford frame that I guess it actually was a car at one time. We're gonna try to find the history on this. Apparently it came out by
same paint.
Yeah, same paint. It was on the road apparently, but I'm gonna say probably in the 70s. Who knows? Just a guess, but just judging by some of the parts they had on this thing. I got my truck there full of parts. We'll go show you, and we'll go kind of show it. We're gonna try to maybe mock up the frame this afternoon and see what's what. I think the plan is we're gonna use this Deuce frame for Derek's Model A coupe. If you don't know what we're talking about, maybe go back and watch one of our videos, I think about a month and a half ago. It was a 31 Model A coupe that we bought. So I think this is gonna be the frame. It's kind of neat how they did things back in the day. Some of it's kind of crude, some of it's actually not bad, but I guess they did this to mount a Corvair steering box that we got with it, and judging by the mounts, a small block Chevy. But hey, it's kind of rough, but it's a 32 frame and you don't see them around here. So,
and the back's been kicked up a little bit already.
Yeah. So,
and boxed, not bad.
like I said, it'd be neat to know the history on it. But I'll put an ad on Facebook or whatnot, or we will, and see if there's any local guys around here that maybe remember the car or whatnot. But people we bought it from the auction company, they really didn't know. But I was happy it came with the extensions and everything else, even though they're just sitting there. Put that down there. But here, we'll go show you what's in the back of my truck. And you know fall's coming because there's a whole bunch of acorns already. All the stuff we haven't even gone through yet, but there's the deck lid, whole bunch of parts. Like I said, we're gonna go through it. Drop the axle. I guess they were gonna put coils in the back, so we're just gonna kind of mock things up. Did come with a Ford 9-inch with a posi in it, so I just want to see what kind of gears are in, just for whatnot. But there's a lot of neat old chrome pieces.
And the headers.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to show you guys the headers when we get everything unloaded. You'll get a kick out of those. But yeah, like even like the tie rod ends and all that, everything was chromed, and there's a lot of neat old pieces. So I know it may look like junk, but for what we paid for it and everything else, I think it's not bad. A lot of little pieces, little nickel and dime stuff, but we'll try it out. We'll back in my lane. Sorry for the wind, but we're gonna try maybe mock some stuff up here today on it. So yeah, keep watching.
We'll find out what we got here, all of it. So here's the frame, 32. It's the back of it. It's been kicked up, I believe, and then boxed. Looks like it's been done fairly decently.
Like I said, it's one of those things we really don't need, but the price was not too bad, and around here when the stuff comes up for sale, you kind of just have to buy it. So.
And definitely the frame will be used or fairly shortly. We'll start working on Derek's Model A with it. Okay, just coming to one of our bone yards to pick up some parts for our little mock-up of the Roadster that we just purchased. Come to get some front drums, but there's one of our never happened project. We got another Model A, and we got another Model A that was made into a Roadster. Not a true Roadster, but it is. Got 2 tires for mock-up. And we just need to grab drums
This one might
and backing plates. Actually, we just need backing plates. Some of the crap that's still around here.
Some of it might be crap.
Yeah, some of it's... What?
There's an action shot.
I almost got that.
We don't fake shit on any sort of cut. I think it'd probably be better to go to the other farm to grab drums from that Model A of mine.
Okay. Sounds good. Tractor stuff. Hey, so here's some of the stuff we got from the auction. Pair of nice taillights. They're glass, and they look brand new inside. So they might be new old stock. I'm not sure. Bunch of braces, body braces, caliper. Those are Chevy GM caliper, because there's a conversion kit here that came with it. That's all for the conversion kit.
Chris, just so you know, those are 3839 Ford.
3839 Ford. Okay.
Teardrop.
Chromed fender braces, 2 of them. We got a couple Chevy mounts came with them. Steering box. I don't know if it's not the original one for this car, obviously, but horn. Then we got a kit to make a rumble seat. It's all the brackets to make it a rumble seat. Got a rear spring. We got a second rear spring. This is just mock-up purposes. We just quickly welded this up so we can get some tires underneath it, so we can move it.
Basically,
it's a 9-inch.
Move it around.
Yeah.
Yes, it's chicken shit welds.
The 9-inch did come with it. The tires, no. It's got the arms. We mocked up the front end that came with it. Even the chrome spindles came with it. Chevy mounts. Came with a brand new clutch or brake pedal. Not sure what that is off of, but that mounts up to that bracket. That's the 2 windshield mounts. It came with Dodge rotors for the conversion kit. And these gems. The alternator bracket on there. Very small and very crudely welded and ground, but it's there. Oh, and it came with brand new 4-inch drop axle. So that's cool. Brand new coil over shocks for the rear. Another set of springs, different size springs. There's the other header. There's the body. The doors are a little rough. Two grill shells. Aftermarket headlight buckets. And we got another pair of doors like that. These have been welded up. They're from I guess a four-door Roadster or something. We got 28, 29 Model A front axle, a crappy oil filter or oil cooler, and some rods, miscellaneous parts of the carburetor, spring off of something, don't know. But that's just mocked up. I believe the frame, we're not going to put this body on that frame. We're going to put Derek's 3031 Model A. There's Casey again. So we're going to put Derek's 3031 Model A coupe onto this frame. And start with that. This will eventually maybe get done in the future, but not anytime soon. But we're gonna keep it. We're not gonna, it's too good to trash, and a lot of good parts. Oh yeah, one thing I'll show you, the front spring. It's hard to tell. Front spring's been chromed. Those brackets have been chromed. They've been chromed, and then I guess after they got chromed, someone put mesh in between them and greased them to prevent them from squeaking, and then they wrapped electrical tape around them, and they were also painted at one point too. So it might have changed hands, and someone painted it the white or yellow. Maybe they didn't like the chrome, but the chrome front, I don't know if it's a drop, if it's a lowered leaf spring, but it's got a chrome leaf spring. So we got all the brand new parts to make these disc brake if we want. I'm not sure if we're gonna go disc brakes or what, and what kind of rear end, if we're gonna use that 9-inch. We got lots of options and lots of parts, and these things are cool, but I don't know if we're a small block Chevy.
Hi, Casey, where's your jacket? Like and subscribe and tell your friends. It helps.